Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 16 and of course it's video number 16. It's a series of 45 videos that I'm walking through the process of raising broilers from day 1 to day 45. We have altogether 304 broilers in here. As you can see, the broilers are very healthy and are growing strong, growing rapidly every day. You can see them. Today I've continued with the prevention against coccidiosis, so I've still given them ampolium. I'm going to continue this treatment for the next 3 days, and of course I don't just treat coccidiosis. I try to make sure that I prevent a lot of other diseases, and of course that's why I mix ampolium with oxipure, which is a broad spectrum antibiotics that works against a wide variety of gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. The birds are doing well. The brooding room is really hot. I'm sweating in here. It's really hot. You can see the way they're opening their mouths because it's actually too hot. But I've exhausted all my options. I've opened up the brooding space. I've opened up the door, everything to let in ventilation into the room. But it seems not really enough. So, but it's not a worst case scenario. So there's no problem. They're okay. They are very okay. You see them. And of course, one thing that I've also done today is that I've elevated the drinkers again. Yes, I've elevated the drinkers because I realized that they were still able to poop inside the drinkers. So I've decided to elevate the drinkers because it's very dangerous to leave the drinkers too low. Yes, because it will make them to poop inside the drinkers, and when they poop inside the drinkers, it will attract bacteria into the drinkers, and if one of them is infected, the infection can easily spread to other birds inside the house. So it's very important that you elevate the drinkers. Yes, and always make sure that you change your water in less than 24 hours to avoid bacteria from building up in their water. They're actually finishing their number 4 bag of feed right now, of starter feed. Like I said, they're going to finish about 7 bags of feed by the end of this brooding period, which is 21 days. They're actually eating a lot. So each bird should have consumed 1.1 kilogram of feed by the end of the brooding period. They're doing okay. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course click the notification bell so that anytime that I post a video, you'll be able to receive it in time. Of course, if you're passionate about poultry farming and you intend to start your own poultry business, this channel is the right place for you. I can guide you through the process of you establishing a successful poultry. Of course, this is video number 16, and if you have not watched previous videos of how I started this series, you need to go back and watch them so that you get connected and you understand how far the birds have come. You understand and you see how they have grown from day 1 to today, day 16. You can see even the elevation of the drinker is quite high, but they are still able to reach there, which means they are tall enough to reach that height. It's a block that I'm using, and it's a block of 30 centimeters, so they have that height to reach that block. You can see them. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course click the notification bell so that anytime that I post a video, you will receive it in a real time. Thank you.